Hello everyone, my name is Ramesh. In this session, we are going to discuss about difference between this and super keywords in Java. And the next thing is difference between this and super constructor keywords in Java. This is one of the most important and common entry question. Let's check all the features one by one. This means the current instance of the class is represented by this keyword. And coming to super, the current instance of the parent class is represented by the super keyword. Coming to next feature, in order to call the default constructor of the current class, we can use this keyword. In order to call the default constructor of the parent class, we can use the super keyword. It can be referred from a static context. It means it can be invoked. It can't be referred from a static context. It means it cannot be invoked from a static context. So we can use it to access the only the parent class data members and member functions. They are called member actually methods, and we can use it to access the data members and member functions of the parent class. And coming to next thing, this and super, and this constructor refers to the current class object, and coming to super class constructor refers to the immediate parent class object actually. It is used for invoking the current class method, and this one super, right, it is used for invoking the parent class methods. It can be used anywhere in the parameterized constructor. It is always use the first line of the child class constructor, otherwise it will give compile time method. It is used to invoking the superclass version of the overridden method, and it is also used for invoking the superclass version of the overridden method. Let's check all the features in the Eclipse tool. So for that, I'm going to create one new class called this super demo, which is having main method. First, let's check the features of the actually, okay, this keyword integer x equal to 10. I'm just assigning some instance variable. Assume that I'm just integer y equal to 20 I'm assigning. And next thing is what I'm doing is I'm just creating constructor now here. Constructor, okay. So first create the integer x, okay, and this dot x equal to x, okay, and create the another default constructor, this one. Now what we can do is this of just use the value here. This is one way of calling using this one, and just print the value of x actually. This one is okay inside the default constructor, okay, and create one more value sys out here. Just the value of x is plus x, just print it, okay, this one, okay, inside the default constructor. So let's print the value of y also here, just y, okay, just assume that, okay, sys out inside the parameterized constructor. I am now printing the value of y here. Just assume that the value of y is, okay, just print the value of y here. So now we can call the just constructor here actually. Just create this one, this and super demo. So let's check the output, okay. So here inside the parameters constructor and value of y is 20, so which is this one static constructor, and inside the default constructor value of x is 10 actually, okay. So even we can print it actually, okay, main starting something like this. So inside main, okay, now you can check the output, okay. First it will start inside the main, and that is corresponding like the constructors will be called. This is how like we need to use this, constructor, and this keyword actually. Okay, this is the local variable, and we are assigning it to instance variable. This one is this one actually. Okay, this is all about like this and this constructor keywords. And coming to the super class, right? Okay, for the what I'm doing is class animal. I'm just, you know, animal. I'm just creating one class here and assigning some value color. So which is like, white I'm assigning. Okay. And now what I'm doing is, so I'm creating one more class, okay, cat, class cat, which extends animal superclass. So here, right, what I'm doing is I'm just creating, okay, I'm creating cat constructor. Okay, cat constructor. I'm just creating it here. Inside the cat, what I'm doing is here, like, I'm just assigning some, creating some more color variable here. So assume that brown, I'm just declaring it here. Let's check it, like, which color object we need to print it. Okay, sys out, right? Okay, the value of super super color variable is, okay, so now plus super dot color, we need to give it actually here, this one. Okay, now color, and next thing is I'm printing the value of the cat variable. Okay, cat variable. Now I'm printing just color, just simply color actually. Okay, if we print it, like, if we execute this one, it won't be executed because, like, we are not extending the superclass actually here. Okay, so for that, what we need to do is extends cat. So now it will be executed. Let's check it. See, now here you can check it, like, what is the color of the white. See, white, right? White. Okay, let's try to check it. Now check it, like, oh, okay, just make some, space here, and now execute it. See here, inside the, inside the, so color variable, right? This is the white actually. Inside, first it will start, like, main, and then value of the superclass color variable is white actually, it will call, and then value of the cat variable is brown. Okay, this is how, like, we need to call it. I mean, the super keyword actually. Okay, if we just, create it one more thing here, like, assume that I'm calling two different methods actually. One is local method, public void display is the one method. Okay, so make some, statement here inside animal display method. Okay, display method. So okay, I am creating one more method here, public void display. So here I'm giving one more sysout inside cat. Okay, cat class display method. So now what I'm doing is inside this, constructor, I'm just calling it actually by using, okay, this dot, okay, animal. Okay, this dot, okay, super, just, super dot animal. Okay, display method I'm using it. Okay, and one more thing is this dot display method of cat. Let's check it. First it will call, like, the super class, because we are calling super class, and this we are using this class actually, current class, display method. Now check it. See here, this is the inside the cat display method, inside the animal display method. This is how, like, so we need to test it, like, using super and, the super keywords actually. Okay, even, we can call it here, like, something Here also we can create object of this one constructor, this one constructor, right? First should be like super keywords we need to use it. Okay, and one more thing is this and super cannot be used in the constructor. Either of the one is we can use it. That's why like we cannot call it directly here. Okay, this is all about like the difference between the difference between this and super keywords, and the difference between this and super constructor keywords in Java. Please practice it in your own, then you will get fair idea. Okay, please like this video, share with your friends, and comment if you have any doubts. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.